This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Acura TLX key fob. First, find the small release button, usually on the side or back of the device. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once released, slide the emergency key completely out of its slot. This initial step is crucial as it reveals the necessary access point for opening the main casing. Be gentle but firm when pressing the button to avoid any damage. Now that the emergency key is removed, you will see a small notch or indentation along the key fob seam. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Most Acura TLX key fobs use a CR 2032 3-volt battery, so ensure you have the correct replacement. Insert the new battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before pressing them together. Apply gentle, even pressure until you hear and feel them securely snap into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks, completing the process and restoring your key fob's functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.